Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is shaping up to be one of the most important foldable smartphones ever created. And if the latest leaks are even close to accurate, 2026 could finally mark the moment when foldables go fully mainstream. Why? Because Samsung might be on the verge of solving the single biggest issue that has held foldable phones back since day one: the display crease. For years, the crease has been the one flaw users couldn't ignore. No matter how powerful or expensive, a foldable device was, that visible line running down the middle of the screen constantly reminded users that the technology wasn't perfect yet. But now, that could finally change. According to multiple reports, Samsung is preparing a massive design overhaul with the Galaxy Z Fold 8. This isn't just another incremental upgrade with slightly better specs. Instead, Samsung appears to be rethinking the entire foldable experience, from the way the screen looks and feels to how the device performs in everyday use. And at the center of all these changes is one bold goal: make the foldable display feel completely seamless. One of the biggest highlights of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is the rumored introduction of a brand new wide variant. This version of the device is expected to feature a 3.4 aspect ratio, which is a significant shift from previous Fold models. When unfolded, the screen will be noticeably wider and taller, offering a much more natural and comfortable viewing experience. In real-world usage, this change could be a game changer. Multitasking will feel smoother and more intuitive, with apps fitting better side by side. Reading documents, browsing websites, and editing content will feel closer to using a tablet rather than a stretched smartphone. Watching videos and playing games will also benefit from the improved proportions, creating a more immersive and balanced display. This wider design isn't just about aesthetics. It's a calculated move by Samsung to position the Fold 8 as a true productivity powerhouse. The company is clearly targeting users who want one device that can handle everything: work, entertainment, creativity, and communication. Leaks suggest that the unfolded dimensions could be around 123.9 × 161.4 × 4.9 mm, making the device incredibly thin while still delivering a large screen. Achieving this balance between thinness and usability has always been a challenge for foldables, but Samsung seems determined to push the limits of engineering once again. Now let's address the most important question: is the crease finally gone for good? Reports indicate that Samsung has made major breakthroughs in display technology, potentially reducing the crease to the point where it becomes almost invisible during everyday use. In the best-case scenario, users might not notice it at all, unless they actively look for it under certain lighting conditions. This improvement is expected to come from a combination of a redesigned hinge mechanism and upgraded dual-layer ultra-thin glass. By refining how the display folds and distributing pressure more evenly, Samsung could finally deliver a screen that looks and feels flat across its entire surface. If this becomes reality, it would remove one of the final barriers preventing users from fully embracing foldable devices. A seamless display means better immersion, improved usability, and a premium experience that finally matches the high price tag. Durability is another area where Samsung is making serious progress. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to feature a stronger and more refined build, with increased use of aluminum in the frame to enhance structural integrity. Despite these improvements, the device could weigh around 200 grams, making it lighter than its predecessor while still feeling solid and durable in hand. This combination of strength and reduced weight is crucial. Foldables need to feel both premium and practical, and Samsung seems to be addressing both aspects simultaneously. Battery life is also getting a major boost. The Fold 8 is rumored to include a larger 5,000 mAh battery, a significant upgrade over the previous generation. This means users can expect longer usage times, whether they're multitasking, streaming content, gaming, or working on demanding tasks throughout the day. With a larger display and more advanced features, battery efficiency becomes even more important, and Samsung appears to be taking that seriously. When it comes to cameras, Samsung is continuing its push to make foldables as powerful as traditional flagship smartphones. The standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to feature a triple camera system led by a massive 200 MP primary sensor, This sensor will allow users to capture incredibly detailed photos with sharp clarity and vibrant colors. Alongside it, a 50MP ultra-wide lens will handle landscape shots and group photos, while a 12MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom will enable high-quality zoom photography. This setup ensures that users don't have to compromise on camera performance when choosing a foldable device. For those who prefer a more minimal setup, the wide variant may include a simplified dual camera system while still retaining the powerful 200MP main sensor. This approach gives users the flexibility to choose between maximum camera versatility and a cleaner, more streamlined design. Samsung is also doubling down on AI-powered features, thanks to its ongoing collaboration with Google. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to include advanced AI enhancements that improve everything from photography to multitasking. Users can expect smarter image processing, better scene recognition, improved zoom performance, and more efficient system behavior. AI could also enhance multitasking by predicting user actions, optimizing app layouts, and making transitions between tasks smoother than ever. These improvements are designed to make the device feel more intuitive, more responsive, and more aligned with how people actually use their phones on a daily basis. Another interesting development is the launch timeline. Samsung is reportedly planning to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 8 on July 22nd at a major global event in London. This slightly delayed launch compared to previous years has only increased anticipation, as expectations continue to build around what could be Samsung's most refined foldable yet. The introduction of the wide variant also highlights a broader strategy shift. Samsung is no longer just iterating on a single design, it's experimenting with different form factors to discover what works best for users. This approach could lead to a more diverse foldable lineup in the future, with options tailored to different preferences and use cases. At its core, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 represents something much bigger than just a new smartphone. It represents Samsung's attempt to perfect foldable technology. With a wider and more practical display, a nearly invisible crease, stronger materials, improved battery life, powerful cameras, and intelligent AI features, the Fold 8 has the potential to set a completely new standard for foldable devices. If these leaks turn out to be true, Samsung isn't just making the Fold better. It's removing the final compromises that have kept foldables from becoming the default choice for users. And if the crease is truly gone or reduced to the point of invisibility, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 might finally deliver on the original promise of foldable smartphones, a device that feels futuristic, powerful, and completely seamless. For the first time, a foldable phone might not feel like an experiment anymore. It might feel like the future has officially arrived.